You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this number. This is more of a fraction. If you want to learn how to count better in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. This is pronounced as 1/25th. 1/25th. 25th is the division of 1 by 25. 1/25th. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.